In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view an invoice on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting, understanding how to access your invoices is essential for keeping track of your expenses and managing your finances efficiently. We'll guide you through each detail so you can easily navigate the Shopify dashboard and find the information you need. First, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Using your preferred web browser, go to the Shopify website and enter your credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll find yourself in the admin section of your Shopify store. From here, look for the option labeled Settings, usually located on the lower left side of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a range of options. Within the settings, you should see Billing as one of the available options. This section is critical for managing your financial details. Click on Billing, and this will bring you to a new page dedicated to your billing information. Here, you'll notice a variety of details regarding your payments to Shopify. On the billing page, there's a section specifically for invoices. Here, all your transactions and billing documents are stored. It's organized in a list format, making it quite straightforward to navigate through past invoices. You'll find them sorted by date, which makes it easier to find the specific invoice you're searching for. Now, you might wonder how to get more details about each invoice. Simply click on the invoice you wish to view. This will open it up, displaying all the relevant information such as the date of the transaction, the amount charged, and the services billed. It's always a good idea to check these details to verify that everything adds up correctly and to ensure you're on the right plan. If you want a physical copy for your records, Shopify makes it easy to download or print the invoice. For most invoices, you'll see an option to either download the PDF version or directly print it. If you need a hard copy, either of these options will serve you well. Finally, remember that keeping track of these documents regularly is vital for maintaining good financial hygiene in your business. Invoices serve as official documentation that can aid in budgeting, accounting, and even during tax season. Whenever you're making changes to your website or plan, revisiting this section will help keep your records up to date. And that's it. You've now learned how to access and view invoices in Shopify, an essential skill that will help keep your business's financials well organized. Whether it's for accounting purposes or a simple review, accessing your invoices in Shopify is straightforward once you know where to look. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Shopify even more efficient.